What's up, guys? क्या हाल चाल? Today I'm gonna talk about what is the difference between a healed man and an wounded man. So the sad reality is that yeah, we live in a society where most of the people are wounded, and wounded people are seen as normal people, as and healed people um, are seen as abnormal people. But the reality is that जो कि wounded लोग हैं वो लोग नॉर्मल लगते हैं, क्योंकि ज़्यादातर लोग ही wounded हैं, हर्टिंग ईच अदर इज सीइंग एज नॉर्मल. कोई यहाँ पर किसी के ऊपर कोई किसी को चिल्ला दे रहा है तो गुस्सा कर दे रहा है, तो सम अदर गाय इज सेइंग कि लाइक ये लाइक दैट गाय इज़ सो गुड, ही इज़ डोमिनेटिंग अदर्स, विच इज़ एब्सोल्युटली नॉट गुड. अगर कोई अवेयरनेस वाला बंदा है तो ही विल बी एबल टू सी थ्रू दैट शिट. But that's a sad reality in India. That is seen as um, that is seen as uh, that is seen as something macho, but it is absolutely not. And that's the sad reality. A lot of people are wounded, try to dominate each other because most of the people are so they are not healed. They are not living in awareness, in consciousness. तो बहुत दूर है भाई, अभी तो बहुत यात्रा करनी है उनको. ऐसा यू नो जो मैं बातें बोल रहा हूँ उसे समझना तो काफ़ी मुश्किल भी होगा. कोई ऐसा बंदा अगर देखेगा, कोई मतलब जनरली अगर कोई नॉर्मल बंदा देखेगा वीडियो, तो ही विल बी लाइक यार क्या बात कर रहा है. बट लाइक आई थिंक अ वुंडेड मैन ऑपरेट्स फ्रॉम फियर. He doesn't like being vulnerable. He doesn't want to show his vulnerability. But a healed man loves, he sees his vulnerability as a strength, as a part of life. And you have to be vulnerable यार. कुछ भी नया काम करना पड़ता है या फिर you have to go and approach anyone, you have to be vulnerable first. So a healed man doesn't see vulnerability as a weakness, and wounded men see vulnerability as a weakness. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. एंड एक और चीज़ मेरे को लगता है हमेशा कि इंडिया में आई डोंट नो यार कि हाउ लाइक हियर आई मीन यू शुड बी मोर काइंड यार. पीपल शुड बी मोर काइंड एंड नॉट ट्राई टू लाइक पीपल. बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं ऐसे कि लाइक चलो क्या बोलूँ लोगों के बारे में यार, सबका सीन सेट हो, बस यही चाहता हूँ. एंड अपनी बात करूँ तो यार बढ़िया लग रहा है, फीलिंग गुड. कल एक वीडियो मैंने बनाई थी लेकिन मैं उसको अपलोड नहीं कर पाया. लेट्स सी, शायद मैं आज उसको अपलोड कर दूँ. और यू हैव टू बी जनरस भाई, यू हैव टू बी जनरस. अगर आप जनरस नहीं हो, काइंड नहीं हो, तो ये एनर्जी ऊपर जा ही नहीं सकती. बट द सीन इज़ दैट लाइक a lot of people, us, we see like in the society we are living right now, we think that kindness is a weakness, which is absolutely not. Kindness is the ultimate strength. The other guy is hurting. If other guy hurts you, you don't need to hurt him back. I always say this: he hurt people, and happy people make people happy. So if you have happiness within you will make other people happy. And if you're hurt from within, of course you're gonna hurt others. So heal yourself. By the only way you can heal yourself is by sexual energy, by having a lot of sexual energy and transmutating that energy. And because the more sexual energy you have, the more healing energy you have. Now you are able to heal yourself. Not only yourself, you are able to heal others also. So और बहुत सारे लोग हैं, people are like not retaining or like usually majority of जो लोग हैं, they are not healed at all. Because and that's why they are hurting each other. They are saying something which one should not say to each other. And so like living in the hurt, full of hurt reality. And that's the sad reality. But change starts from one person. And I know a lot of people, and I know people like me, people like we are very rare, kind people, and operating from a higher frequency, from the frequency of love, from the frequency of consciousness, because there are very few people who are operating from the love wala mindset. एंड हम ही लोग हैं, लाइक वी हैव गॉट द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, एंड अपन ही लोग हैं यार जो कि ना, सिर्फ ओशो भी ये बात बोलते हैं कि देर आर ओनली हैंडफुल ऑफ पीपल हु uplift the consciousness of humanity. बाकी सब तो वाइब्रेटिंग ऑन अ वेरी लो फ्रिक्वेंसी, यू नो, fear, anger, apathy, or hate, violence. So yeah, if you are full of love, other people will see you as abnormal, and if you are full of hate, people see you as normal, which is absolute, which is, again I would say it's a fucking sad reality, but it is what it is. But you know the truth, you know what the truth is. And the main part is that ki if you are full of love, it doesn't matter what even other guy is thinking about you. Like you are operating from that love mindset, it's enough. Like आप लव में आ जाते हो तो फिर तो आपको किसी चीज़ का फ़र्क पड़ता ही नहीं, लाइक क्योंकि आप लव में हो, you know. And people like me, of course, like we think, you know, this is like because not all people are operating from the mindset of love. So we are rare, we are absolutely rare. And that's why we feel like, you know, sometimes कि यार we don't fit in society, you know, क्योंकि हम हमारा mindset अलग है, like, you know, operating from the love वाला mindset. And a lot of people don't think or don't see life or don't live life that way. So sometimes we tend to feel lonely also कि यार, you know, like not lonely, but like we see, like, you know, we are not able to fit in this reality or fit in this world. बट आई वॉन्ट टू से समथिंग अबाउट दिस कि अगर आप ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ते रहोगे, इफ़ यू कीप ऑन डूइंग द राइट थिंग्स, यू विल अट्रैक्ट समवन, you will find someone, you will find your soul tribe, you will find some energies from maybe from this side, or maybe from other side, from other shore. You will be able to find it if you keep on doing the right things. So you are not lonely. Why? We all are together in this journey, and this is the journey of love. There is only one goal. uh, there should be only one goal in life, that is love. Love should be goal of life. See, unconditional love for yourself and for everything, for every being. Just like sun is nourishing, you know, sun doesn't give a shit about if someone is saying crap about sun, or if someone is um, saying good shit about sun. Sun doesn't care, sun doesn't give a fuck about that. Sun is here for nourishment, sun is nourishing us. So we also have to become like a sun. We have to keep on nourishing no matter what. And I mean, that's what life is, you know. And when you nourish others, you have to nourish yourself first. So I mean, it is what it is, bhai. And आई विश कि यार अवेयरनेस काफ़ी बढ़े. आई विश कि इंडिया में अवेयरनेस और बढ़े. एंड आई विश कि पीपल विल बी मोर सेंसिटिव, मोर अवेयर, मोर सेंसिबल. बट लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर नॉट सो. बट स्टिल, एंड सेंसिटिव, जो सेंसिटिव होते हैं, ऑफ कोर्स दे हर्ट अ लॉट, दे गेट हर्ट अ लॉट. बट हर्ट होने के कारण ही वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा ऐसा भी, दे ऑल्सो फील सो मच ब्लिस विच अदर गाय कैन नॉट फील, यू नो. भले दूसरा बंदा उतना सेंसिटिव नहीं फील कर रहा है, लेकिन यू आर फीलिंग, बट यू आर ऑल्सो फीलिंग दैट ब्लिसफुल वाला फील, यू नो. यू आर ऑल्सो फीलिंग दैट हायर कॉन्शियसनेस वाला फील. सो यू हैव टू पे समथिंग यार इन ऑर्डर टू गेट समथिंग. आई मीन दैट्स इट. आई होप यू गाइस रेजोनेट करे तो मेरे को बताना. कीप वॉचिंग. थैंक यू. लेट्स गो.